Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. And yesterday we are have lot of disturbance because of network problem. And everything is clear today. Any problem? Good morning, everyone. Any problem is there today? No problem, na? Yeah. In the last class, we are discussed about what actually refraction of light at plane surfaces. And in our 8th class, we completed reflection at a light at a plane surfaces. Now there is what it is there? Refraction of light. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. At plane surfaces. Yeah, there is how it is a refraction we are taken. Okay, now yes, of light here. For this purpose, we have some what experiments are there for us. Okay, now that experiments only first we have to go for it. Then after we'll go with our explanation of our refraction, how the refraction is going and what is the reason, what the principle is involved in that, what is the light principle is involved in that all the things once we have to discuss for today. Okay, now please be concentrated all the students. Yes, and every topic it is very important to understand the refraction. Yes. A small component is also very important for you. Yes, to understand our refraction. Yes. Go through the page number 49. Go through the page number 49. Yeah, in the page number 49, there is activity 1. You have to go with activity 1 here. Activity 1 we have to take. Yes? And in this one, there is especially we have take the what actually some amount of water you have to take here. Here you take a water, 1 second here. Okay, now how it is appear for you. And as well as before going to the water, there is a one more thing also there. Once you observe our textbook, yes, now here what the sizes are there. When you observe through this glass, how much it is rises, got it or not? Yes. Yeah, there is a when there is a light ray that passes through the water. Yes, there is a whatever the sizes of our lesson name. Once check it out, how there it is. Yes, it is a rises. The size or not. It is a rises, not zoom. Okay, the size is looks like an increase. Zoom means it is like this. And like this we are considered. Clear or not all the students? Yeah. How it is appear for us like this it is. Yes. And this is the thing. And as well as when you take a size of pen also, okay, what is going on? When you take here, there is simply, yes, it's a looks like bending or not. 1 second here. Yes, when you take it is in a like this without the water and glass, there is a how it will appear for us. It is appear for us in a straight line. But when we dip it is inside the water, yes, not it is in a straight line. 1 second here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here up to this particular point, it is a straight in a line only. The line is a looks in a bending mode. Clear or not all the students? It is in a which mode? It is in a bending mode. And once again you check here, one more observation also here. Not on that view, you take in another view. Yeah, one check here. Yeah, it looks somewhat bending or not? It looks somewhat bending here. Got it or not all the students? When you take here, okay, in this particular view, okay now, yes, there is a where the separation are there between a water and as well as the our air. This is the air. Now this is the what actually through the water and as well as in this direction. Once check it here, it is the water and as well as there is a glass and air. There is a three medias are there. Our observation through the media air and as well as there is a what? It will be that whatever the light ray coming from our pen, it will be what actually passes through the water and as well as the glass and as well as the air. The three media changes are there. Because of that, there is a what? The bending is a clear. The bending is a possible for us. And now one more experiment is also there. Okay, what is that? You take the water. There is activity 3. There is you take activity 3 here. I am taken what actually one of the obstacle surrounded media I am taken here. And taken one coin here. Yeah, there is a what now we take the what our camera here where without the water we are takes the camera and now there is a what will we go like this it is we are observed through like this it is and you go away from that coin. Yeah, now there is a what? It is a what? Without water we are taken. Now we are take it is in a water. Now it is not disappear for us now. Once check it out here. Before that it is not disappear. When you take it is a water in the same position, it is appear for us. Clear or not all the students? I am not changing the location of camera, but it is appear for us. In case the water is there, without the water in the same position when you take it is a without the water, it may not appear for us. Okay, the coin may not appear for us. Okay, clear or not all of you? Now it is not appear for us, na? Yeah, just to the end is only appear. when you take a water here, what is going on? The total it will be appear. Okay, got it or not? Why it is occur? Why it is occur? Why the thing is occur here? Why the thing is appear for us? Okay, now you check it here simply. There is a what? When the media is changes, they throw the air. There is a light is a travel in a particular path. When we are changing the light property by using the what? Media. There is a we are added one more media to the light propagation way. Because of that, it is the changes. The light is changes its a path. Why it is changes its a path? Okay, we do this activity 2 also. The activity 2 also there is about a refraction. It is a given. Okay, now yes, and it is not possible to do here. Okay, simply we are discussing that about that. Yes, whatever activity 2 is there, how to observe the sunlight. Okay, through our metal plate. Okay, because of refraction, there is image of that particular sun brighted shadow may it appear on the wall. You know very well. Because of which thing it is possible. Yes, because of refraction only. Everywhere it is a refraction only. Main role played here, and here there is one experiment. Whatever experiment now we are taking, once take it in your home also. Yes, if it is possible, you observe this thing. Okay. Yes, what is that observation we are taking here? Here, once you go with activity 3, what observation we are considering here? Yes, first you take there is a whatever the vessel, it is contains a what actually obstacle in nature. At the both the ends of this one, it is taken as obstacle or opaque walls. Here we taken what? Opaque wall. Opaque walls we are taken for it, and here there is we taken coin also. Here what we are taken it is we taken one coin. Okay, now yes, one coin we are taking here. Here, once you observe, there is a whatever the eye, it will be there. Okay, the eye is observed these things without the anything. Here, there is a water is not there here. Okay, clear not all the students? Water is not there here. Directly, the light ray which is coming from, okay, na? Yes, coin. It is reaches to the our eye, which is coming from the light ray. Whatever coming from the coin, it is reaches to our eye when it is in this particular position. Okay, you go away from it. Means what? In a second one, in a second diagram, you not at here. You not at here. Your eye may it is here. May your eye it is here. Okay, clear or not all the students? And you take somewhat water in this particular, yes, whatever the vessel you take here inside it. Yes, clear or not all the students? Now, there is a before that, whatever the position of our light ray, same and like that, when we are taken it is in this direction. It is possible to see for us? No, it is not possible to see. Automatically our light ray become what actually? It is bending. Here where it is a bending? Here it is a bending. Clear or not all the students? The light ray is when it is enter from water to here. Okay, now it is a what? It is a light ray which is coming from the coin. It is in case it is moving in a straight straight line, it is passes in this direction, but it is not passes in this direction. At this particular surface where there is a separation the water and the air, then this particular surface it is like that it will be moves. Got it or not, all the students? Why it is occur? Why it is occur actually? It is occur because of what? Refraction of light. It is occur because of what? Refraction of light here. Yes? And this is how we explained about this actually. Yes? How we explained it. Got my point or not here? When you take a without water, at that time the light is not have any disturbance, it's a travel along a straight line path. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, actually the light rays are coming from our eye for observation of it. No, it is not they are coming from the eye. It is not coming from eye. It is coming from where? It is coming from the coin here. It is coming from coin. The light rays are coming from where? Light rays are coming from coin. And when there is a light rays are coming from this coin, after illuminated by somewhat it will be moves in a straight line without the water. In case the water we are taken here, automatically whatever the original path of light is there when we are taken without water, that is a modified. How it is a modified? In this way it is a modified. Got it or not? Yes, why it is occur actually? Why? What the situation it is there here? Yes? Why it is occur? Because of the velocity of light rays. The velocity of light ray may changes. Got it or not? Compulsory. You have to do this experiment in your home. Just you take water in a bowl and you take it in a coin. Once you observe it is not take initially water. You don't take initially water. You take a empty vessel. On that one you take a coin. Okay, once you observed in this particular position, like this particular position you have to take. Just make one step back here and afterwards you take water inside it. At that time there is a water, it appears for us. Our coin is up here. Okay, now you at end you have to stand and go back up to disappear. Up to disappear the coin, you go back. Okay, then after you add the water from that position only. May it is observed or not? Yes, without water may it is disappear, but with water it is appear. What you understood from this one? You understood from this one there is a light ray. Before that there is a light ray not propagated. Where your disappear position is there, without the water there is no light rays from the coin. But when we are taken a water, at that time somewhat light rays are come at the disappear position also. Why it is? Why? Because light ray changes its property. The coin is not changes its position. What is changes the property? The light ray changes its property of a traveling. What that? That is only called a refraction. Got it or not? What is the refraction then? Okay, refraction is occur because of the two things. One is light is travelled through the one medium to the another medium. Because of that, the light is changes its propagation direction. Okay, clear or not all the students? Actually, you know very well, light is travelled in which path? Light is travelled in a straight line path. Okay, that is only rectilinear propagation. Light traveling nature it is a what? It is in a rectilinear propagation. That rectilinear propagation is disturbed when it is again passes through the rectilinear only. But where the two medias are there, at the surface, where the surface of media is there, otherwise where the medias are divided on a particular surface, at that particular surface, the light changes its path, traveling path. No, just bended it is. Just bended it is. Why it is a bending? Because of velocity change. Why the velocity change we are considered? Why there is a our light is selected that path only? Why there is a light is not selected another path? That is only we have to go to discuss here. There is a, you know very well, according to the Fermat principle. According to which principle? Fermat's principle. It's a very, very important. Got it or not? The scientist Fermat is given a fundamental formula for our life. That is only Fermat's principle. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Whatever the Fermat's principle is there, it says what actually? It says the light always selected the which path? Low distance path only. Light traveled along the what? Light is traveled along between 2 points, which is the nearest. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, which is the nearest possible time to cover. Okay, between any 2 points are there. Between these 2 points, always light is traveled in which path? In which path? Shortest path. That is only indirectly. It is called shortest path only. It's a take less time. Okay, now which one is the less time? That is only selected. That path is only selected the light. Okay, now suppose between these 2 points there is a different paths are there. Like this path is there. Like this path is there. Like this path is also there. Like this path is there. This is taken as a A, this is taken as a B, this is taken as C, this is taken as a D. The light is selected which path? Between P and as well as the Q, whatever we are taken here. From P to Q, there is a which path it is selected. Is selected what? It is selected the P to the Q path. It is as a C, not a B, not A, not D. Okay, this is only about a Fermat principle. It is only called what actually? Fermat's principle. Okay, yes, about that based on the Fermat's principle only, there is a light is selected with all the remaining properties. Whatever the properties are also we are discussed, everything it will be follows by which thing? Which one? It is follows by our Fermat's principle only. How the Fermat's principle explained for our activity 3? Once we have to check here. Yeah, first you take here, there is a whatever our, without the water we are taken here. Without the water, there is a coin we are taken here. In this particular position I am taken the coin. Okay, got it or not? Yes, and here this is our eye, where we have taken our eye position. Our eye position it is here. Got it? Now, there is a what? You take here, this is the path we have taken. This is the path we are taken here. Okay, now there is a what? Our eye position is there changes now. At where we have to change? In the mode of disappearing purpose, we have taken our position of our eye. It is at here. Sorry. Yeah, here we are taken our here. Now, may it is appear or not our kind. Why it is selected? Which path it is selected now? Okay, when you check it here, from here to here, the distances we are taken. Here, there is a light way. When you take a water inside it, there is a what we are taken. There is a water we are taken here. Yes, in case there is a what, once you are imagine our eye is at here only. Yes, what is the difference is there? It is the difference is there here. Okay, now may there is our light ray that reaches here. Suppose we are taken here. It is the distance. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. And now simply our light ray not reaches to here. It is selected which path? It is selected which path from this particular point. Which one is the nearest one it is? There is the once you check here. Which one is the nearest? It is only the become nearest thing for us. Okay, clear or not all of you? From this point to this point. Okay, now it will be not selected this path now. Yes, it is once it is a come to here and it is a reaches to here, it is a reaches to here. Okay now? Yes, how much distance it is? Varied. Here, once check it out, here there is this one. And as well as again our light is how to travel to reach our eye? This path. That's why it is not selected this particular path. It is selected which path? This path is only selected. Got it or not? Yes. There is an taken it is a beside here. Suppose you take here, there is a whatever the same, there is a whatever the kind you have take here, there is a knot at this particular distance. We are taking it is our eye, it is here. We want to see this one. Okay, the light ray in case travel like this path, it is not possible without water it is. Suppose you take here, there is a water. Okay, it is selected the path in this direction only. But afterwards it is selected which path? This path. Why? Because it is a travel in this direction. Again, it is a wanted to reach to our eye. Then it is the path. Got it or not? There is a no problem. It is only the shortest one. But when you take a water, okay, now there is a what? Somewhat properties of light is a changes. If it in case selected this path, okay, no problem. These are only, suppose up to from here to here, it is in a straight line. This is only become shorter. Okay, but there is a no observation. Now our eye is at where here. That's why there is a one more traveling is also required for it. Okay, in case there is not possible. Okay, there is no obstacle here, but it is not possible. And once to calculate this distance and this distance, it is increases or not? It is increases, then what? Then what? This is the first, this is the second. The second one is a shorter or first one is a shorter to reach our light ray to our eye. There is a what? The second one is the shortest path. Okay, in this way, our Fermat principle is satisfied here. Got it or not? Then why it is occur? Then why it is occur? Because of what? Refraction process. What is going on in the refraction? There is a velocity changes are going. Okay, now based on the densities of a substances. Got it or not? Based on the densities of a substances or material, there is a velocity changes are coming in the our light ray. Okay, got it or not, all the students? Yeah, how the velocities are changes here. How the velocities are changes. Yeah, you know very well. There is a one denser media is there, one the rarer media is there. Because of the rarer media, there is a low density is there, less number of molecules are touched with our light ray. When you take a light ray in a denser media, at that time more particles are available. Every particle is a varied the light path. Because of that, there is a denser media is a contained in the denser media, the velocity of light is somewhat decreases compared with the rarer media. Once you have to check here. Yes, once recall the component of what? Our matter around us. Matter around us. Clear or not all the students? Once recall the component of matter around us. You know very well. There is in a matter around us, suppose you take it is as a water. It is taken as a water. Now there is in a water, there is a high number of molecules are contains or not compared with air. It is a what we are taken, it is air. We taken it is as a air. Got it or not all the students? It is taken as air. In this particular place, there is a what? It is a water, nothing but it is a more density. More density it is there for the water. It is a contain what? Less density is there for this air. Clear or not all the students? It is a contain what actually? Less density is there, and here it is a contain more density. Here it is a contain what actually? More density is there for the water. Here it is a contain what? Less density. When the light ray is entered from here, there is a what? How many particles are touched once you check it here? Yes, one particle is a touch. May it is a disturbed somewhat. It is may touch. There is a it is may disturbed. In case it is a travel like this only. Okay, clear or not all of you? May touch with this, may touch with this, may touch with this. Okay, may touch with this. How many? Yes, imagine that just there is a 4 particles are disturbed. Here there is only 2 particles. Got it or not? Because of this more dense things, there is a what will we get? There is a yes, there is our light ray undergoes the disturbance. You know very well. There is a one crowd place is there. And crowd place is there in the market. Okay, at the time of a evening session when you go for the market, yes, there is a what will we get for us? What will we get for us? It's a take more time to travel in that crowd. Okay, at the morning session, somewhat early morning session, no one is made there. At that time, we easily moves or not from that. That is only the thing. Okay, traffic at evening, traffic at afternoon. Not about Hyderabad I am thinking, not generally. In Hyderabad also generally. At the early morning, at evening 5 or 5:30. And where there is it is a difficulty to move to our home to school or school to home. Yeah, there is a when it is taken at the evening session at 5 o'clock, it is a what? It is a denser like that, denser nature. When we take it is as a morning, early morning session, it is a what? It is early morning, it is low density. At evening, high density. Because of that, there is a whatever our bike or a vehicle, it will be take a more time to travel. Okay, that where at evening. At a morning, it is a less density, is taken less time to travel. Okay, clear or not all the students? In this way you have to observe our light ray also. When there is a density substance is there, it is in a traffic, more traffic it's a travel. Got it or not? In the density, there is a what? When you take a denser media, our light ray is traveling in which traffic? More traffic region. Okay, when you take it is a rarer media, our light ray is traveling in which one? Yes, less traffic region. Yes, that's why only there is a when you take air, at that time it is a rarer, easily travel through it. And when there is a water will be get for us. When the water will be there. Okay, at that time it is a density. Okay, clear or not all of you? Because of the density nature, it will be takes more time to travel in that water. Okay, yes, because of that velocities are changes. Understood not all the students? Velocities are changes due to that reason only. Okay, got it or not? Suppose I am taking here whatever the somewhat vessel beaker I am taking here, that beaker it is a contain the length of. Yes, it is a contain the length. It is a contain somewhat lengths are like that. It is a 3 centimeter it is also 3 centimeter only. It is a 3 centimeter and it is also I am taken as a 3 centimeters only. Okay, now there is in this 3 centimeter I am taken the water. In this 3 centimeters I am taken the water. Okay, clear or not all of you? In this 3 centimeter I am taken air. It is taken as air. It is taken as a water sample. Both are how much height it will be there? 3 centimeters of height only there here. Got it or not? Now there is a one source of light may come for us. Okay, now there is a light. There is a one source of light may here. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a source of light. It is there. Okay, when there is a light came from the source, it's a traveled here like this. Okay, now it is a traveled this much of distance it is. And we draw a normal here. Okay, clear or not all the students? You take a normal here. Now the light ray travel the same distance. Same distance here. No, it is not like that. It is not the same distance is traveled here. It will bend it like this. It is a bended like this. Got it or not all the students? This is the light rays enter and as well as it is a bended. Which distance is a greater here? This distance or this distance? Okay, the distance is a greater traveling is here from here to here it is taken a greater distance. Okay, clear or not all the students? And in this way only there is a velocity of water, velocity of light in a water, it is what actually decreases. Here V1 is taken the velocity. Here you take the velocity, it is in a V2. The V2 is less than what? V1. V2 is less than V1. Or here V1 is greater than V2. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. There is a like this total combination of the total this all phenomena are only called what? Our refraction. When the light is entered from rarer media to the denser media or denser media to the rarer media, the light is changes its path due to the velocity changes of light in the media. Yes, got it or not? That the phenomena is only called the what actually? That phenomena is only called the what actually here? Refraction. That is only Fermat principle. You know very well, velocity is equal to what? Distance by time. There is what we require? Less time. According to the Fermat principle, what we require? Less time. Velocity is equal to taken as the displacement by time. Okay, got it or not? There is a when you take a displacement by time, according to Fermat's principle, our light rays are selected which type of path, which is contained to travel between a 2 points with the less time. That path is only selected. You know very well, there is a very heavy traffic is there. We are searching for what? We are searching for one particular different roads are there to our home to as persons, our home to the school, na? Our home to the school, there is a different directions are there, different ways are there. Okay, but on one particular regular way, there is high traffic is there. At that time, what we have to select? What we have to select? There is a which will be taken nearest path and as well as which is contained is easily to move. Okay, now in a less time. That is only we have to select. Here also the T become less. According to the mathematics in a fraction, the denominator is less. Automatically it is rises or not? Automatically it is rises or not? Got it or not here, all the students? When you take here, the velocity is equal to distance by time. We require it is a less time. Automatically the velocity rises. Means what? Where there is a high velocity is there, it will be taken less time. Okay, now automatically it is a travel which one? There is another thing is also there. There is a what? Less distance is there. There is a how there is a V is a become greater. How the V is a become greater. There is a when the less distance is there, at that time only it is a become greater. Got it or not? There is a two things are there. Yes, when it is a less, it is a become greater. Velocity is a become greater. How it is a possible? The T is equal to written as d by v. D by v. Yes, there is a when the denominator should be t is a less or otherwise maybe the denominator should be it is less. At that time only t is a less possible is there. Got it or not? By using these all the things, the velocity is a decreases. The velocity is a decreases. Okay, clear or not all the students? Our velocity is increases because of the media changes for the light. Because of that, it is the changes its a path based on a Fermat's principle. This is only about our today's class, all the students. Refraction means what? Refraction means when the light is entered from one medium to the another medium, the velocity of light is a changes depending on the medium, and afterwards there is our refraction is. Our refraction, our light is a path is. Our light path is a changes. Okay, clear or not all of you? Our light path is a changes. This is only about our today's class. Thank you students. Bye. Take care. Okay, please read that page number 49, 50 and 51 also. Okay. Bye. Take care.